I'm Healthy is an educational organization. I'm Healthy is a private company specialized in training and educational areas: medicine, nutritients, general topics, nutrition facts, agriculture, plants and animals, recipes and cooking guides. Baked chicken breast. Time. Preparation time: 10 minutes. Cook time: 16 minutes. Total time: 26 minutes. Serves 4 people. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon brown sugar, packed, for keto, use brown sugar substitute. 1½ teaspoons paprika. 1 teaspoon dried oregano, or thyme, parsley, rosemary. 1 teaspoon salt, use seasoned salt, adobo or chicken salt for extra flavor. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon onion powder. 1/4 teaspoon cracked black pepper, to taste. 1 teaspoon chili powder, or 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional for a kick of heat. 4 large chicken breasts 7 ounces 200 grams each. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Optional. 3 tablespoons butter. 2 cloves garlic, minced or finely chopped. 2 teaspoons fresh chopped parsley. Instructions. Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, standard ovens, or 390 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, fan-forced or convection ovens. Using a meat mallet or rolling pin, pound each chicken breast to 0.8 inch 2 centimeters at the thickest part. Make sure your fillets are all the same thickness to ensure even cooking. Combine sugar, paprika, oregano, salt, powders, pepper and chili, if using. Line a baking pan with aluminum foil or parchment baking paper. Transfer chicken to the pan and toss chicken in the seasoning. Drizzle with the oil and rub seasoning all over to evenly coat. Bake chicken in preheated oven for 16 to 18 minutes, or until internal temperature is 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius, using a meat thermometer. It should be golden with crisp edges. Asterisk. Remove parchment paper. Broil, grill, on high heat during the last 2 to 3 minutes of cooking until golden and crisp. Remove pan from oven, transfer chicken to serving plates and let rest for 5 minutes before serving. Optional step. While chicken is in the oven, melt butter in a small skillet. Sauté garlic until fragrant 30 seconds and remove pan from heat. Stir in parsley, then pour butter mixture into pan juices, stirring well to combine all of the flavors together. To serve, drizzle pan juices over the chicken and garnish with freshly chopped parsley. Time. Preparation time: 5 minutes. Cook time: 18 minutes. Total time: 23 minutes. Servings: 4. Ingredients: 4 chicken breasts, 150 to 180 grams, 5 to 6 ounces each. Note 1. 2 teaspoons olive oil. Seasoning: 1½ tablespoons brown sugar. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon dried oregano or thyme, or other herb of choice. 1/4 of a teaspoon garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon each salt and pepper. Garnish, optional. Finely chopped parsley. Instructions. Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees Celsius fan. Pound chicken to 1.5 centimeters (0.6) at the thickest part, using a rolling pin, meat mallet or even your fist. Key tip for even cooking plus tender chicken. Mix seasoning. Line tray with foil and baking parchment paper. Place chicken upside down on tray. Drizzle chicken with about 1 teaspoon oil. Rub over with fingers. Sprinkle with seasoning. Flip chicken. Drizzle with 1 teaspoon oil. Rub with fingers. Sprinkle with seasoning, covering as much of the surface area as you can. Bake 18 minutes, or until surface is golden per photos and video, or internal temperature is 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius, using a meat thermometer. Remove from oven and immediately transfer chicken to serving plates. Wait 3 to 5 minutes before serving, garnished with freshly chopped parsley if desired. Recipe notes. If your breast is quite large, e.g. 250 grams, 8 ounces plus each, cut them in half horizontally to form 2 thin steaks and skip the pounding. Make sure they are no thicker than 1.5 centimeters (0.6) thick at the thickest point. If they are, pound using fist. This can also be made with thigh fillets, boneless, skinless. Follow the recipe but cook for 25 minutes for small, medium thighs and 30 minutes for larger ones. Nutrition per serving, assuming 150 grams, 5 ounces chicken breast. Time. Preparation time: 5 minutes. Cook time: 35 minutes. Total time: 40 minutes. Yields: 4. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, extra virgin olive oil for drizzling, 4 boneless skinless chicken breasts about 2 pounds, 1 lemon cut into thin slices, freshly chopped parsley for garnish, optional. Instructions: preheat oven to 375-707 degrees Fahrenheit. In a small bowl, combine brown sugar, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Drizzle oil all over chicken and generously coat with seasoning mixture, shaking off excess. Scatter lemon slices in baking dish, then place chicken on top. Bake until chicken is cooked through, or reads an internal temperature of 165-329 degrees Fahrenheit, about 25 minutes. Cover chicken loosely with foil and let rest for at least 5 minutes. Garnish with parsley, if using. Time. Preparation time: 20 minutes. Cook time: 15 minutes. Total time: 35 minutes. Yield: 4 servings. Ingredients: 4 boneless skinless chicken breasts, pounded to even thickness and brined in saltwater, see easy instructions below. 1 tablespoon melted butter or olive oil. 1 teaspoon kosher salt. 1/2 teaspoon freshly cracked black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon paprika, I prefer smoked paprika. Instructions: brine the chicken. To brine your chicken breasts, fill a large bowl with 1 quart of warm water and 1/4 cup kosher salt. Stir to combine until most of the salt is absorbed. Add the chicken breasts and let them sit in the mixture to brine for 15 minutes. Or you can also cover the bowl and refrigerate for up to 6 hours. Remove the chicken breasts from the brine, rinse them with cold water, then pat them dry with some paper towels. However, if the chicken breasts you purchased have already been pre-brined in a sodium solution, skip this step. Heat the oven. Preheat oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius. Season the chicken. Place the chicken breasts in a single layer in a large baking dish *. Brush on both sides, turning once, evenly with the melted butter or olive oil. In a separate small bowl, whisk the salt, pepper, garlic powder and paprika until combined. Then sprinkle the mixture evenly over the chicken on both sides. Bake. Bake for 15 to 18 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and no longer pink. Cooking time will depend on the thickness of the chicken breasts, so I recommend using a cooking thermometer to know exactly when it is fully cooked. The thickest part of the breast, it should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 73 degrees Celsius. Or, if you want the chicken to be a little bit browned and crispier on top, you can turn the broiler on high for the final 3 to 5 minutes and broil the chicken until it is cooked through and golden on top. Keep a close eye on the chicken so that it does not overcook and/or burn. Rest the chicken. Once the chicken is cooked, remove the pan from the oven, transfer the chicken to a clean plate, and loosely tent the plate with aluminum foil. Let the chicken rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Serve. Serve warm. Or, refrigerate in a sealed container for up to 3 days, or freeze for up to 3 months. Notes. Baking dish. Please note that I do not recommend using a glass baking dish for this recipe, such as Pyrex. Instead, I recommend using a metal or ceramic porcelain heat-safe baking dish. Or if you do not have a 9x13-inch dish, you can also use a rimmed metal baking sheet instead. Check out videos on our channel and subscribe for more.